Malacanang says necessary preparations have been made for the rainy season. Presidential spokesman Edmund La Sierra said the DPWH has been working to ensure that floodwaters immediately subside in several flood-prone areas, including España Boulevard in Manila. The MMDA is also making sure that pumping stations will function properly during heavy rains.
We have prepared for this. If you recall, there was extensive diggings in somewhere in España. We were able to do DPWH catchment, kumbaga malalim na hinukay dito sa bandang Blumentritt sa España para to ensure pagdating sa baha dito sa España, alam mo na malakas ang mataas magbaha ron, bababa kaagad yung baha. And then, ang MMDA is also in charge of making sure that our pumping stations are going to function properly come the rainy season. Plus, yung itong ating mga NDR, MCRO, DSLWD pagdating naman sa paghahanda sa mga bagyo, we're able to preposition the goods. So our Pag-asa, our Weather Bureau is performing marvelously in terms of identifying the areas where a certain storm will hit. So yun po ay lahat ay pinaghahandaan.